In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about how to share a board in Monday.com with guests to enhance collaboration. Let's dive right in and take a step-by-step look at how you can make your projects more collaborative and interactive by sharing your boards with others who aren't necessarily part of your main workspace. First things first, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the board you want to share. You probably know the drill, but in case you need a refresher, finding your desired board is usually just a click away on your dashboard or in the left-hand panel where your workspaces are organized. Now let's move on to the top right corner of your board. Up there, you'll find a button that says Share. Clicking this will open up your sharing options. It's pretty straightforward and well marked, so don't worry about missing it. Once you have the sharing options open, you'll want to select the feature that says Invite Guests. But who exactly are these guests? Well, they are individuals who, although not part of your main workspace, can still play a significant role by reviewing or collaborating on specific boards. Picking the right participants might involve considering who outside your team could add value or insight to your projects. Next, it's time to enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite. Be mindful that you can add multiple guests in one go, which really streamlines things if you're involving a larger team or several stakeholders. This step is quite simple. Just type in the emails and you're good to go. Now, here's an important part, setting permission levels. Depending on what role you want each guest to play, you'll need to choose the appropriate permissions for them. You have a few options here. As a viewer, they can only look over items without making any changes. As an editor, they can make modifications, but won't be able to alter board settings. Finally, if you're really trusting, you can make them a board owner, which is normally reserved for your team members, allowing them full autonomy. Once everything looks good, click Send Invite. Following this action, your selected guest will receive an email invitation to join the board. This invitation paves the way for their active participation. Finally, you'll want to confirm when your guest has accepted the invitation. You'll know they have when their avatar appears on the board's member list. If you ever need to adjust their permissions, just click on their avatar. Now that everything's set, your guests can start interacting with items, updates, and files according to the permissions you assigned. Keep an eye on their activities through updates and notifications to ensure smooth collaboration. Happy sharing!